Outside Van has pioneered a legacy of creating purpose-built, durable, functional adventure vans that enable a life of freedom through connection with the outdoors. Whether you are headed to the deep forest, coastal beaches, or to your favorite campsite, at Outside Van, we are focused on building the most feature-packed, durable, and capable custom adventure vans available. Our main purpose is to help you get outside and live a life beyond expectations. It is with this goal in mind that we have produced Approach, our flagship full-size adventure van. Designed for a family of 4, Approach is the culmination of years of experimentation, research, and development, featuring seating and sleeping for 4 full-size adults with fully equipped galley kitchen and multiple layout configurations that enable the van to adapt to any situation. Approach makes it easy for you and your family to get outdoors. Built using the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 high-roof chassis, there is plenty of room for adventure. Available in both stone gray and selenite gray, the Sprinter chassis is unparalleled in its capability of ease and use. It uses a diesel-powered turbo engine, a modern all-wheel drive transmission with traction control, and an electronic steering system. Combine those with a robust proximity sensor system and multiple cameras that help guide you through the most precarious terrain. Driving and navigating Approach in any condition is a breeze. Starting with the exterior features of Approach, there's a rigid light package that includes a 50-inch light bar with amber backlighting on the roof, and dual 6-inch SAE fog lights mounted using our fog light bracket on the front. Both of these sets of lights are perfect for lighting up that forested dirt road or foggy highway. On the side and rear of the van, we have added rigid side scene lights and dual rear-facing backlights. The backlights are also connected to the van's braking system and illuminate when the brakes are pressed, adding another element of safety when on the road. The light bar and backlights are all attached to the van using our custom-engineered roof rack that can only be found on Approach. This roof rack is multifunctional and features L-track to mount the included crossbars, and our custom-made utility tray, which is perfect for cinching down some extra gear. The rack is also the primary mounting point for the included ZAMP 140-watt solar panel. To access the roof rack, we have included our custom-made side utility ladder, which features textured steps for extra traction in harsh conditions, and mounting points for accessories like traction boards or storage containers. All of our custom-built metal components are American-made, engineered, and constructed using premium and durable materials that are perfect for the outdoor lifestyle. We design, build, and test everything in-house, and the core components of what you see in Approach are only available in an Outside Van. The wing-step rear bumper was designed in-house for Approach and is a specialized type of rear bumper that incorporates a grip tape step and is unique to Outside Van. To the side of the wing-step is an access port to the ARB air compressor, which makes it easy for airing up your tires, and there are additional compressor ports in the slider door and under the hood as well. The awning is attached to the roof above the slider door and expands over the van's passenger side area, creating a shady place to relax. The main cabin of Approach can be accessed either by the dual rear doors with 180-degree hinges or via the sliding door, which has an electronic step made by AMP Research. Both entryways feature load lights. These illuminate the load-in areas of the van, and light controls that make it easy to get the interior of the van lit up from any entrance. Utilizing our open concept design philosophy, we try to keep our vans as open and spacious as possible to create a more welcoming experience and allow users to use the space however they see fit. Utilizing swivel bases and a movable table, all 4 captain chairs can be configured to face each other for an intimate dining area. Or, if more space is needed, the 3-panel bed can be stacked to the rear of the van, opening up the dual bench seating area that utilizes the same movable table. This configuration is ideal for when you want to stretch out and relax or break out the coloring books. We use marine-grade vinyl flooring and cabinetry, synthetic and mold-resistant insulation, marine-grade plywood, sill leather ceilings, Korean countertops, and many more materials that will stand the test of time. Core to this mindset is the use of L-track on the floors and walls. L-track acts as a foundation for an abundance of storage options. At the front of the rear dinette area is an adaptable storage closet and control panel for the Fusion audio entertainment system, which pumps out tunes from the radio, a connected Bluetooth device, and even the included adjustable flat panel television. 2 configurable audio zones use the dual rear door or ceiling mounted speakers. These speaker sets can be isolated or grouped for a full van sound experience, perfect for an off-grid movie night or supplying the soundtrack while you enjoy the campfire. For sleeping, the lower benches have hidden flip-out panels that bridge the gap and create a secondary sleeping area in the lower section of the van. Approach is a true Seat 4, Sleep 4 adventure vehicle that can comfortably accommodate 4 adult-sized individuals. On the driver's side of the van is a full-featured galley, which has a stainless steel refrigerator, stainless steel sink, an electronic induction cooktop, and plenty of storage both above and below for food, dishes, utensils, and all of the other necessities. There's also an overhead microwave and a window that can be opened to allow outdoor light and airflow into the cooking area. Underneath the upper cabinets is a lengthy magnet-friendly bumper that houses under-cabinet lighting, as well as an embedded bottle opener for when the party starts. Above the sink is the command center where the core systems can be controlled. Here's where you can turn on the water pump that activates the 22-gallon freshwater system. Set your heat using hydronic heating system that heats both the air and the water, and a touchscreen to control the 3,000-watt inverter and monitor your power consumption. Everything electronic and approach from the driver's seat back is powered by a robust lithium-ion house battery system. There is no need for a generator or to keep your van running to power things up. There are also outlets placed throughout the van, including the dedicated USB-C outlets to charge your devices, 110-volt outlets to power household appliances, and 12-volt outlets to power accessories that utilize a car connector-style plug. Another hidden feature of Approach is the water box showering system. The forward benches on the passenger side opens to reveal a compartment that can act as storage and functions as an internal shower. Simply deploy the water-resistant curtain, attach the shower caddy to the L-track on the wall, and turn on the 10-speed max air vent fan. Here you can take private hot or cold showers whenever and wherever you would like. The water from the water box and galley both drain into a 23-gallon gray water tank, making waste disposal easy with minimal impact on the environment. For a quick rinse or when you need to wash off your gear, the rear water access port is a helpful feature to quickly rinse your bike and keep dirt outside the van. When things get hot, there's also a rooftop air conditioner that can cool down the van at the touch of a button. Utilizing thermally insulated window coverings and our tri-panel cabin divider, you can turn Approach into a thermally sealed space that can heat up or cool down at any season. The window coverings and cabin divider also black out the interior of the van, preventing light from creeping in and providing unrivaled privacy when you need it. Approach is now available nationwide at select RV dealers. Visit our homepage at outsidevan.com for more information and to get connected with your local dealer. See you on the outside.